Hello friends, welcome to the Education Things. Counting objects can be difficult for young children. When children count objects, sometimes they skipping objects or double counting objects. From this video, we will jot down the 4 skills that children need to be able to count objects. For that, you can use anything found around the house to teach your child how to count. When you practicing with your child, it's best to use objects that all same types and same colors. This will help to keep things simple for your child. In this video, we use yellow blocks. First skill that children need have the verbal counting. That is, the child has to able to recite the number. For young children, it's best to start number 1 to 9. For example,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
the second skill is the ability to map one number to one object. In the example shown here, child should count
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
but children who are not master in this skill might count
1, 2, 3.
For that, parents and teachers can help the child to improve this skill through point out the objects and moving to the next object as they see each object like this video.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
The third skill needed to count object is to be able to keep track that which object have been counted and which still need to be counted. Children who are not master in this skill, they sometimes make two different mistakes. First, they might sometimes skipping objects as they count. Alternatively, they sometimes go back and recount objects that already have been counted.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
You can help your child to master in this skill by moving inside each object after it's counted. Let's try to understand from this small clip. This will help your child to keep track which objects already have been counted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And the last skill needed to count object is to be able to understand that the total number of object is equal to the last number counted. You can teach your child this skill by the covering the object after they have been counted, then asking how many objects are hidden. For example,
टोटल कीजिए
5.
5.
and you will get the result like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So friend, today we are learn about 4 skills that children need to be able to count objects. Hope you like this video. Thank you.